boss. Bitch, I'm a boss. I'm a boss. I plan the shots. I call the calls. We in this bitch. It's going down. Yeah, I'm the king that with my motherfucking crown. Bitch, I'm a boss. I'm a boss. Bitch, I'm a boss. I'm a boss.
Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Kayla Blake and I am back with another hair video. So this video I'm going to show you guys how I install my wigs. These are all the materials that you're going to need. I'm so sorry that the way I record it is upside down and I don't know how to switch it. So I'll put everything that I use below. Basically, all you need is like your basic materials. There got to be glue, your lace glue, your wrapping foam, and all that good stuff. So yes, guys, I cut all my hair off. I was natural, but I was natural and my ends were ridiculous. They were dead, okay? Deceased. So I cut everything off. I got scissor crazy and I cut everything off, and I've been growing my hair from scratch. This is my first time showing everybody that I cut my hair off. I normally don't show anybody, only my close friends know. So in the video previously, you saw that I was blow drying my hair. My hair is super thick now, guys, super thick. So I had to blow it out. Right here, I just braid down my hair because I wanted a flat foundation. I'm using my favorite hair greases. That castor oil, guys, it stinks, but it's worth it. And that's its sister, the olive oil. And I love the olive oil. I hate the castor oil, but I need the castor oil, okay? You need castor oil. Castor oil is the best. Jamaican castor oil. You can find it on Amazon. I'll put the link below if I could find it. I think they still have it. Girl, that castor oil is so thick and it stinks. Oh my gosh. But it's definitely helping my hair grow. So it's all worth it. Them braids look horrible. Lord have mercy. So I put some Pump It Up because I'm going to put on my wig cap. So I use a beige wig cap. I always use a beige wig cap. I don't like to use like a dark color wig cap. I don't know why. I just don't like it. Like, I feel like my foundation over a beige wig cap will look so much better. But yeah. So I cut the hole by my ears to make sure my wig cap is nice and flat. I got this method from Arrogant Tay, I believe it was Arrogant Tay. Before, we used to just slap the wig cap on our heads and just spray crazy, and the side of our ears was not like, it wasn't like paste. Like it was a lot of work. But he showed us this method, and this is like a wonderful method. So shout out to Arrogant Tay. You are the GOAT. So you spray your got to be glue spray from ear to ear. Make sure everything is sprayed because you do not want to cut and not everything is sprayed and all that cap is going to come up and you can't reuse the cap, girl. And if that's your last cap, you're going to be tight. So as you can see, I put a little concealer, this brown powder concealer. I cannot find my foundation and I'm so upset. So I had to improvise and use that. And you're just going to go ahead and cut off your excess cap. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do and not cut my ears and it looked like I was about to cut my ears. So you want to cut that cap as close as possible. I mean, you could always just cut and then go back and shape it up. Go back and just, cut, but I like to do it right there and then because I'm so scared of cutting myself. I cut myself multiple times. Lucky thing I don't scar, but multiple times I cut myself and it really hurt. So I like to just do it right there and then. So I did it to both sides. Now I'm using my mom's 91% alcohol. During this coronavirus, she bought so much alcohol and she bought my favorite one, 91%. And she's so tight that I took this one. It's a spray bottle, guys. It's so sexy. So I had to take it. So you just clean off your forehead, clean up the side of your head. Make sure you got no debris, no oil. Because if you place that glue and you got oil, girl, that your wig is not sticking. So here's my wig. This wig was red, and I'm like, let me add some black dye, just being idle, because I've been locked up in the house for how long. So I put some black dye at the bottom. It kind of looked brown, but we gonna work with it. Like it looked like a nice little ombre though. We are definitely gonna work with it. This is a 13x6 wig by K the Wig Plug, my wig company. If you want to order, you could go ahead and place your order through DM on Instagram. I put all the information below. Now, as you can see, I'm just trying to, I'm looking to make sure it looks scalpy and everything is all good in the hood. Even though it does fit my head and it has been on my head before, I still gotta make sure like where to place the glue and all that good. Try to do that for all your wigs, even though you cut it yourself and all that other stuff. So now I am about to put the glue on my head. I didn't use Ghost Bond and I didn't use Bow Hold for once. I used the Elsha Luxury Wig Fashion Absolute Lace Wig Bond, water resistance. I wanted to try it because it was water resistance. Cause bitch, I be in the shower for mad long, okay? So yeah, you want to put on your glue evenly, people. Put on your glue evenly. The reason why your lace frontal cake up, dog, is because you're not putting it on evenly. I learned this the hard way. You see how even layer it is? Even though if it looks thin, you could always go back over and put a second layer. In this video, I put about 5 layers, which you're about to see. See, you can't even see it. You could barely see it. You see? And that's about 5 layers, guys. That is so 5 layers. I think it's about 5 layers. So I'm about to put on this wig. I'm not going to put on the wig on camera because I need to be in front of a mirror to put on this wig, because I did not want to mess it up, guys. Honestly, I did not want to mess it up. So you could go ahead and watch the rest of the video, and I'll be back with you guys soon. So right here, I'm just blowing out my hair. It's giving me a hard time because I decided not to use a brush, but the blow dryer comb like an idiot. So yeah, I'm blowing out my hair because when straightening your hair, I suggest that you blow out your hair first. Blow it out bone straight. So when you straighten it, it will come out bone straight. Period. So as you can see, I'm getting ready to mold down my hair. I want to make a part. I wasn't sure if I wanted a side part or a middle part, which is why you see me playing with it right now. So I just put the setting foam all over. Now this setting foam is by Lotto Body. Lotto. We in Jamaica we call it Lotto Body. So sorry for my accent. But yeah. And then once you put in your setting foam, you just like kind of sort of comb it out. Make sure everywhere is saturated. Everywhere in the within the frontal is saturated. Most of the times you want to take off the front part, the part where your frontal is, and just work from where I started right there and comb it straight back. Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Honey, do you see that scalp, baby? That is scalp. This wig is amazing. This wig been through a lot. Man, this is my coronavirus wig, sis. So I decided to go with a middle part because I gave my best friend a side part. And we're kind of in this together. If my hair's done, her hair got to be done. And if her hair done, my hair got to be done. So yeah, I'm kind of just winging the part right now. Like I'm looking in my camera to part instead of looking straight in the mirror. I think I did a pretty good job because it looks straight. I'm giving myself some baby hair. I'm not a baby hair fan, but man, I had to. It looked cute. It kind of look cute with baby hair. It kind of does look cute with baby hair. So what I did was I made sure everything was set, my part was set, combed through the hair, make sure everything was nice and smooth. Went over my part because once I tie this down, it is not coming back up until it's dry. And when it's dry, it is molded, honey. And all you want to do after that is just add your hot comb over it and your blow dryer to blow out the crispy parts, the crispy parts. So I tied it down with my little sheet. I like to call it my toilet paper black sheet. And you want to just get the whole top. Everywhere that is wet, you want to tie it down tight. If it's giving you a headache, it is tight, period, okay? So I think I put on another one. So after molding and wrapping down my hair, I decided to flat iron it instead of curling it for now. That's going to be my designated style. Just a quick little flat iron. And plus I already blowed it out. Like I said, if you want a bone straight look, you blow it out. So I decided to flat iron it. I do not know where I got this flat iron from. Lie. I got it from California. My aunt. Yeah, I got it from my aunt's house. And I think she got it from Target. I'm not sure. I'm definitely not sure. But the flat iron is bomb, honey. It is bomb. I love this flat iron. This flat iron, I only use it to straighten my hair. Okay, I have a flat iron to straighten, I have a flat iron to curl, and I have a flat iron that I use on my clients. Sometimes I use this flat iron on my clients, sometimes I don't. It depends on the style. Most of them want curls. But anyways, honey, I flat ironed out my hair, and this is the final look, babes. Scalp, you know, you gotta go in there with the hot comb and just smoothing everything out. And that's what I did right here. You can see I'm trying not to burn myself, but baby girl, do you see a lace? Because I don't. Do you see a lace? I don't. This was scalpy. Like, this has to be like my favorite install on myself. I think it is. I really think it is. Well, yeah, it is. Like, I was just so proud of myself because That's coming straight out my head. That is my hair. Okay, honey? All right. So I was just really going over it with the hot comb. I love to go over my hair with the hot comb multiple times, okay? Multiple times. Like, everything has to be straight. So there's the end of the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for any more videos you'll like to see. This is my first video. This is my first voiceover, my first install video I'm showing to the public. Hope you guys all like it. Thank you and goodbye.